Black Friday and Cyber Monday are almost here. And if you didn't prepare to this holiday season, or you want to make sure that you're fully prepared and taking action for this massive shopping period and finish the year strong, then definitely watch this video, because I'm going to share the top tips and actions that you can take now and implement in your Amazon business, listings, and PPC to be ready and prepared. Okay guys, so we continue with the same way as I did in the previous videos, with showing the numbers, giving you some updates. So if you're following my videos, you can see the progress hopefully, and give you some motivation to keep pushing and keep seeing what is possible from real seller. So let's start and show you the numbers. So these are the numbers for the day. Let's just refresh. So I have 90 sales, it's a little not focused, 90 sales, 96 sales for the day, and almost 152k in the last 30 days. I hope that you will, get some motivation. I just started to get some items to the UK and Germany, so I'll share with you some of the numbers. So let's see what's going on here. So here in this period I was out of stock because of the 200 units limit. Here I have 2 units for the day in the UK. Hopefully very soon we're gonna start to see some progress here. Since the volume is still low in the Germany, I will not share it and waste more time, but you get the idea. So yeah, welcome to this channel, and if it's your first time here and you want to learn more on how you can create your own brand, selling private label products on Amazon. I also focus on other marketplaces, but the main focus is of course Amazon. That's where the money is, that's where the volume is. And if you want to create a scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now by subscribing to the channel and click the bell, so for any new video that I upload you can get a notification. And let's start. Okay, so this year, just so you know, Black Friday falls on November 27th, and that's 27th, and then Cyber Monday is on the 30th. Okay, so you don't have too much time left, but you still have time to really be prepared for Black Friday if you take action, and you take action quick. Okay. First of all, we'll start with the first point that I would recommend doing, which is super important. Change the bullets and listing images. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas. So what do I mean by that? So let's say, and you know what, let's just go to Amazon and try to look for some items. So let's say hairbrush, right? And if that would be my listing, hairbrush, and let's open this, the notepad. I would add something like Black Friday and then the actual listing. Why? First of all, don't use deal or sell. It could bring your listing to be suppressed. Amazon don't like it, and if I'm not wrong, it's against TOS to use a sale or a deal in your listing, and you don't want this to be happen a day or in the same day where Black Friday or Cyber Monday happens, or starting, because it will take you time to take your listing back. So don't take this risk, okay? But make sure that you put this in your title, because that's the first thing people will see when they search and see your listing, whether it's through PPC or organically. And I will also add it here in the bullets. Now, I like to use some emojis like that sometimes, not in all the listings, but sometimes I like to do it. Especially on listings that I'm not sure about, that if I have a low conversion rate, what could happen. But listing, of course, that I have 40% conversion rate, I don't take the risk and touch it. It works well. Why? From my experience in the past, when you try to improve things that are already working very well, you actually, the opposite happens, and you actually ruin the listing and the conversion rate. So what I like to do is called like ASCII codes. I write it down on Google, and then I like to take some, some signs and things. Actually have here symbols. Okay, so you can take symbols and emojis and something that is related that will grab attention for Black Friday. So maybe like just an arrow maybe would do the work. So I would do like Black Friday and then my bullet. So for example, if that's my bullet, right? I will put something like this. Started by Black Friday, something like that, okay? So that's something that you could do in a bullet. Now another thing that is super important is the listing images, okay? So let's try to see. I think I saw it in an item that is like a wood carving kit. I think I saw it in one of the listings there that are already using it. So let's see if they're using it. Like a picture of holiday or Christmas. Here, they put like a picture of a gift, which is good, but that's not enough, I think. Okay, so what you can do is write on Google Black Friday deal or sell. Let's see, sell. Go to images and then try to put like a picture like that, Black Friday sale in one of your images, including your product. Now, what I suggest is just go to Fiverr and just search for gigs that will like help you with that. So holiday sale image. Let's see what happens, okay? Um, Here I will design Instagram story holiday. So this is a video ad, but you get the idea. So you can do a Christmas offer or something like that. Shouldn't cost a lot, like $10. You give them like the PSD of your original listing images, and they could do it for very cheap. And what I suggest that on Black Friday itself, what you do is you put it as the second image, okay, so people can see it right away. Now on Christmas, I'm being less aggressive. I'll put it on the third or fourth image. So that's what I will do. Let's go back to the actions that you can take. Create an Amazon coupon. So I constantly run like coupons and promotions. And let me show you what do I mean by that. So let's write hairbrush. So if you watch my channel, you already know. So this is a coupon promotion that you can create. So like you can do like like a $1 promotion or 5%, and then instead of writing with coupon, you can write with Black Friday sale. Something that is more oriented to Black Friday. Be on top of PPC. So what do I mean by that? So let's say that on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, you will have much more volume of people, of buyers that are looking and searching for your keywords, for the search terms that are related to your product. Therefore, you will have much more expenses, much more budgets that will be your campaigns will be out of budget very early during the day. So what I suggest, and I said that in regards to the preparation for Prime Day, that you should really lower your budget actually and then be on top of it during the day and see which campaigns that have like good ACOS are out of budget, and then increase the budget of those campaigns so your ad will still show when people searching for it. But it's a little tricky. You really have to be on top of it, because for example, let's say you have a campaign that you have $100 budget and then you have only two sales. I would suggest that you put this campaign that you normally have $100 budget to be $50, and then during the day, like noontime, just check the performance, and if the performance is good, increase it to $100, and then if the performance is good after the this campaign is out of budget and spend $100 already, increase it even more. So that's what I mean, be on top of your PPC. Optimize your A plus content, to mention something for Black Friday is possible. So this is something new that I didn't try before, but I would suggest that you try it or give it a try. And when I say give it a try, like make the design and then submit it for approval. When you submit the A plus content, it requires approval from Amazon. So let's say you have this banner for your A plus content, I would put some like graphics that are related, saying like Black Friday specials or Black Friday promotion, 72 hours only, like something like make it black. Make your banners dedicated to Black Friday. This is something that I never tried. I will try it this year, and I'm sure that it could help like increase your conversion rates. Okay, lightning deals. you can go to Amazon and run a lightning deal, which I'll show you how. You go, sorry, you go here to advertisement deals, and then you create a new deal, and it's 27th, so you can choose any deal that you want, any product, let's say product that you have a lot of quantity, you can just select it and run a lightning deal. So they have, let's see, for this item, they have so you see for the for what you call it, for the Black Friday, they don't really have any slots available anymore. So for me, myself, I don't really like. I didn't have good experience with lightning deals before, so I won't do any this year. Maybe for the Christmas I will do, but I'm really, you should try it and see how it works for yourself. Okay, optimize PPC. So really, the days before Black Friday, make sure that you optimize and increase bids for the terms that you are really, really good at and they're converting very well, that the A cost is very low. Increase the CPC bids just to make sure that you are going to be showing on top of search and you are going to get the right exposure when people searching for it. And the last thing that I would suggest, and again, it's not a long video, but it give and provide some actionable tips that you can take, and it's the Black Friday virtual bundle deal. So if you didn't watch the video on how to create a virtual bundle, it's available for people that have trademark and brand registry with Amazon, and you can create and should create a bundle that says that it's a Black Friday virtual bundle deal. Okay, so what I mean by that, so let's try to go here to the hairbrush and let's see if they have any virtual bundle here. No, they don't. Let's go and open. Let's just close everything. Okay, one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Okay, they don't have virtual bundle here. Okay, trying to find a listing that has a virtual bundle so I can show you what do I mean. Okay, let me pause the video and try to find the virtual bundle deal. It take me like a second. Yes, I'll pause. Okay, so here is an example of listing that have the virtual bundling and make it bundle. So what I would do is take two items that they don't really need to be related, because people on Black Friday, they're looking for deals and some sales. So even if you have two items that are totally random, you can still do that. But if not, and if you have some complementary items to go together, definitely include them. But it's super important that the text that you put here, it's actually the text that says Black Friday bundle or Black Friday bundle deal, something like that. And how you actually do it is you go to Seller Central. If you just in briefly how to do it, you go to the virtual bundles. Let's go here. I will write or go to brands, I think, virtual bundles. Okay, and then you create a deal. Now the bundle title would be Black Friday deal, and then like a hair brush plus hair towel. Okay, so that's what I will do. Start it. So that's it for the video. I hope you got some value from it and you're going to be more prepared for this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. It's important that you don't really say, oh, these are nothing, and you really take and actions and make whatever you can in your power to really ensure that you maximize your sales. Some people say, oh, I'm not gonna do this, I don't think it sells, but sometimes it's the little things that you compile and you bring together that really change the whole picture. So don't really underestimate the power of these things. They are all together will help you to increase the sales and be prepared. And even if not, at least you know that you gave everything that you have in your power. You did whatever you can in order to ensure that you get the most out of this Black Friday holiday season. So happy selling. I hope you're going to crush it this Black Friday and Cyber Monday and the entire Q4. Please let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.